Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of I Was Forced to Love My Stepmother, a movie queen in a love show. Chapter 28, so here it is. Let's read the story. Dr. Rantau and her friends, the two of them are finally sleeping. It turns out her friend she was talking while she was sleeping. And Rantau, she really can't sleep. Well, she was still thinking about what happened when Suman suddenly kissed her. She really can't sleep at all. Suman's mouth is a little bit poisonous. I didn't expect it to be so soft. And right now, she don't know what to use. Forget about it. Forget it quickly. Forget it quickly. Right now, she's trying to sleep, but she really can't sleep well. But her friend is really sleeping soundly. But right now, there's a message on her. Well, who could it be? It was late at night and now Rantau picked up the phone. It turns out it was Rantau's dad and said, Honey, don't forget the wedding on the weekend. I know. It's already midnight in China. I want to go to bed. Right now, she put her phone down. And now Rantau, she was really thinking, did I have a moment of expectations? Just now, Rantau, she really can't erase Suman's on her head. Until now, she really can't sleep because of her. The person I'm looking forward of sending me a message is Suman. Right now, she's touching her lips. Of course, she really can't forget it. Since she feels exhausted, Rantau, she said to herself that it was really annoying. I won't hand in my homework next time. Well, it really makes sense. It was a weekend and so-day wedding. Isn't this Suman? My daughter really likes you. I wonder if I can get an autograph. Thank you, Mr. Ku. It's a new movie about to be released. At that time, I will organize a company team building. Oh, looking at the two of them, the stepmom and the daughter, they really look good on matching outfit. Suman, she really look good. She looks really amazing. On the other hand, Rantau, she really looks cute. What is your dormitory number? Why do you really go to my dormitory? It's a little swan for tickets. Are you serious? Janjan has never said that she's like girls so can fall in love with them. What kind of girlfriend? There's no first love in the whole network, okay? Don't talk nonsense. Please, Miss Wan, just for a dormitory number. I really want to see a ballet performance of the little swan. Right now, Tao Tao, she was really getting the nerves of her friend, especially right now. Suman, huh? Why is this person next to me? When she looked back, she's seeing Rantau is getting angry again. It's one of my children. The dormitory number has been assigned to you. If you bother me again, just wait to be black. Thank you, miss. I wish you and Suman a pleasant wedding experience. Well, her friend is really silly. Shan Yue, you boy. Right now, Tao Tao seems to be getting mad, especially her friend is always teasing her so much. This moment, of course, what a joy. After that night, it always feels awkward to face Somans again. It wouldn't feel awkward kissing my stepmother out of nowhere. If I attended the wedding today, I would want to be with her. Oh, this is really getting crazy. Her mind is really getting crazy. Right now, she's really fantasizing Suman to be with her. Oops, your child is not a good mood. Teacher Su, please go and comfort him. Well, of course, right now. Suman, she knows that Rantau is getting mad because of what she done. Okay, let's talk about again when we have time. Now, it really makes easy to Suman, but right now, she looks really serious. She was in a bad mood because of her intimacy with me that night. And now, Suman, seeing Rantau getting sad. Of course, she looks really sad also. Suman thinks there's someone's on Rantao's at this moment. That's why she's been watching over her so many times. But suddenly, Rantao doesn't want to go to the Su's house to attend the wedding. Did something happen? In fact, it's not a big deal, more or like a misunderstanding. Now, Suman, she looks really curious. When Tao Tao was in high school, there was a boy named Bai Wen Yuan who always gave her things. What kind of fruit, milk, walnuts, etc. Oh, she got really serious about Tao Tao. Tao Tao thought that he liked her, so he planned to confess her love to Sister Su Cheng on her wedding day. Oh, this is really bad. It really makes sense that Ran Tao is really cold that maybe on that time she really felt betrayed. But when Ran Tao, as soon as she found him, she saw that Bai Wen Wan and another girl. Well, Tao Tao on that time, she was really young, and of course, young hearts are easily broken. After she ran out, she bumped into Sister Sudai. Then I saw Sister Sudai. Well, it was really a coincidence that Tao Tao also met Suman's sister. A girl hugged each other. On that time, Ran Tao, she was really crying hard on Suman's shoulder. But right now, hearing this and remembering all of her friends say, it really sinks in on Suman's mind that Rantau she really like a boy. Well, on her mind, did she really find Tao Tao only like a boy? Since the two of them were still on an awkward state, Suman she's having difficulty on asking Tao Tao. Suman said to Rantau, okay, let's go in the first. I have something to tell you after the wedding is over. Now Suman, is she really getting impatient? That's why she was rushing too. If she really pushed Rantau on the limits, maybe the little girl will walk away from her. Right now, she wants to grab Rantau's hand. Someone at this moment calling Rantau. Well, what do you think? Who could be? Rantau's look back. Wants to find who was calling her. When she looked back, she's seeing a man. Well, could it be that person? It's Bai Wen Yuan, the man who's broken her heart. Why the man suddenly attend Sudai's wedding? Let's hope Suman can really ease the broken heart of Tao Tao. Well, the story is getting better. You can see more about Suman and Tao Tao on next chapter. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!